I have something in my teeth. Just ignore that. I ate a couple of cookies before setting this up. It's so weird looking at this setup right now. I haven't really talked in front of a camera since, I don't know, October. So it's been 2 months because today, as I'm filming this, it's December 8th. And this video is my 20th birthday vlog that I was supposed to upload back in November, during the first or second week, and I wasn't able to edit and upload this video in November because a lot of things happened. During the week that I was supposed to edit and upload this video, two of my friends invited me for this pop-up event. They wanted me to sell art and crochet stuff, and I couldn't pass on the opportunity, and that's why the time that was supposed to be for editing became the time for pop-up event preparing. That was my first ever pop-up event, and I also vlogged that pop-up event experience. And basically, for the entirety of December, I'm just gonna keep churning out videos. So this week, I'm gonna post the birthday vlog, and then next week, I'm gonna post the pop-up event vlog, and then the week after that, I'm gonna post a crochet related project. If I finish the project, then I'll post a video. If I don't finish the project, then I won't post the video. And then the last video for 2025 will probably be a Christmas slash holiday video. So that's gonna be the entirety of December. I'm just gonna keep churning out videos every week. So that's the plan for December. But until then, let's go back in time on October. Hello, today is October 19th. I'm filming this at 11:52 p.m. So the day is almost over, but October 19th is pretty important because my birthday is on the 26th, which is 7 days away. So October 19th is the start of my last week as a 19-year-old. Like, if you're into numerology, that makes a lot of sense. To me, it does. And I don't know why, but a part of me is still in this belief that I'm gonna be turning 20 in a week. I mean, I was only 15 years old when the pandemic happened. Actually, I was 14 turning 15. And this morning, I woke up having a slight existential crisis. I was thinking a lot about aging and growing up, and basically, I was carrying a lot. And I decided to turn that baggage into art. So I'm gonna be including clips of the art that I made today. And also, I rewatched Ladybird. birthday. That's so weird. 19, but you have 25 now. Red velvet. Ayun na, kasya na. Birthday crown. Sushi! Nabigla ka lang daw, ikaw David.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wala, namamatay na.
Be, huwag ka magalit. Be, huwag ka magalit.
Kailangan ko pa mag-act na hindi ko alam.
Guys, kanta natin siya. Ayaw talaga.
Patayin niyo muna ito. Wala kong story. Dito na sa iPad. Try ka. Thank you. Ayan! Wow! Sino mawak dito?
Yung ginawa mo na nila daw yung trend.
Blow ko na ba?
Yeah.
Yes! Blow mo na agad? Kaya sana magkasap na.
Yeah.
Ito lalagay. Okay lang. Ate. Ate. Thank you sa cake!
Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And itsy bitsy spider. Stamp pa? Stamp. Namimili pa yun ng kanta minsan. Sabi niya yung fish. Ah? Sabi niya, spider naman pala. Wow. Can you give me? Thank you, Dylan. Kuya Adam. Mamalin pa lang. Thank you. Mag-thank you ka, Mama. Mag-thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yay. Yummy.
Ginagawa mo sa'yo? Wala kang respeto.
Punta tayo kay Mamalin.
Ay, you want? Sorry, tita.
Bro, what the fuck?
Chapter 2. Oh my god, I love this song. Sabi nisa.
Pininaan eh. You're late. You're late.
Sabi ko
Wala pa ko favorite now.
wala naman ako.
Food!
Parang hindi ko kumabay.
Can you hurry? I'm like hungry.
Right, like.
Ako may ano dyan.
Food!
Cute, ate. Ikaw.
Gusto ko takoyaki. Wala.
Masarap.
Ha?
Walang takoyaki yan.
Bakla, hindi takoyaki yung
Walang
flavoring ng
takoyaki.
fries.
Takoyaki yung flavor.
Saan yung takoyaki ba? Parang mag-jowa naman kami ni Jo. Back the fuck off.
Tangin na kasi ayaw mo tumag eh.
Ano, nagdidelete ko na.
Guys,
Wait lang guys, wait lang. Nagdidelete na si Aya ng apps. Game Yola. Bakit nagkaganon yung ano, TV?
kasi TV ka. That's your own. Isa ba dyan? May ganyan din kami sa bahay.
Ako 27.
Tagal? Ayun na ba? Picture
Wala
mo na
na.
lang.
Bye.
Have I known you 20 seconds, 20 years?